Shopify's Stocky is shutting down on August 31st, so we built Stocky by Section Kit as its replacement. Keep your inventory synchronized and spot low stock becomes a problem.
Now you might be wondering, why should I even use this app? Well, the answer is simple. If you're already using Stocky, you can easily import your previous data from Stocky into this app.
But if you're new here, let's break down exactly how much easier this app can make your life. If you have a Shopify store, and let's be honest, you obviously do since you're watching this, inventory headaches at some point. How many products are sold? How many are left in stock? Managing suppliers? Tracking multiple locations? But after this video, there will be, because all of this can now be handled by just one single app, freeing you up to focus entirely on marketing and everything else that actually grows your sales. It can get overwhelming, right? Manual tracking takes time. Mistakes happen. And it slows your growth. Because all of this can now build, so without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into how to do it.
Go to your store admin, then click on Apps, and search for Stocky by Section Kit, and hit Enter. You'll find this app here, open it, and click on Install. It'll take you straight back to your store admin. Now click Install again to confirm it. After installation, you'll see an interface like this, and you can set it up in just 3 steps. First step is to sync your store data. Simply click on it, and it'll automatically sync all your store's data. Second step is to add your first supplier. Click on it. Now for the third and last step, select your plan. There are 4 plans available here: Starter, Essential, and Professional. You can choose whichever fits your needs. But I'll go with free for now, and if I feel like it's actually making my work easier, I'll upgrade to the Essential or Professional plan. So this is the main interface where you get a complete overview of your store's inventory status. I think it's just added some random products to show as an example, since I haven't added any products myself yet. Click on View All, and it'll give you complete details of your inventory. Below that comes the Vendors tab, where you'll find all your vendors. It's added some random ones here too. I'll click on the first one, and I can edit or delete it from here. After that comes Migration. If you're moving your warehouse from one location to another, you can update or import that here via a CSV file. Next comes Suppliers, where you can add all your suppliers. I don't have any right now, so I'll type in a supplier's name and add it. If I want to delete it, that's just one click away too, like this. Now let's add a supplier again. Above it, there's an option Add Product to this supplier, where you can add the products you've purchased from that supplier. I don't have any products right now, so I can't add any here. After that comes the Locations tab. These are your warehouse locations. If you've got more than one inventory location, this feature is genuinely useful. You can see all your remaining products and their variants here. Below that comes Pricing. We've already talked about that. Then comes Purchases, where you can add products you've purchased from a third party. For example, if I only get certain products for one season, this feature really saves me time. You'll get 3 tabs here: Draft, Awaiting Payments, and Overdue. And below that, you'll find all the products you've ordered. Next comes the Orders tab. This simply tracks your products from Shopify and shows how many have been sold. After that comes Inventory again, where you'll find all your products and their variants. Then comes Suggested Features, meaning if there's something about this app you don't like, you can suggest a change here. And last but not least, my personal favorite feature, Reports. Here you get complete reports for your inventory and vendors. Just choose a date and a vendor, or keep it as all vendors, select a date, and your complete report shows up right here. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.